So here's how we can keep audio messages on the iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now, on your iPhone's messages, whenever you receive an audio one, like, the quick one where you just send the audio message, well, it will disappear by default because it is set up that way. So what you need to do is whenever you just receive one, you need to click on the little keep button right below it in order to make sure it stays within the chat, right? It has been designed with this intention probably because of the sound or voice messages take up a little bit more storage. So perhaps those which are not important are just going to disappear by default. So when you click on a keep, it will stay in the chat. However, there is one more thing you should know about, because when you go to your settings of the iPhone and at the bottom find the apps section, you'll be able to essentially see there every single app and its settings. So you need to go to the messages, and inside it there we have the ability to decide how long the messages will be kept on the device. So there are like 3 different time frames. So I like to keep it set to forever, meaning that no matter if a year or a month passes, my messages will stay on my phone. It will not be deleted, because you might have it set up for like 30 days. That means that after that time, all of your messages will be gone. So that's another thing to keep in mind or pay attention to, but I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.